Welcome to the channel. My name is Papa Drew. Today we're going to be doing large men doing stupid things that are really cool that they shouldn't do. Later on we're going to weld on propane tanks. I recommend safety glasses. No, don't do that. But I will tell you, we have sponsored with Kemimoto, and they have this awesome roof for the Can-Am X3 DS Maverick Max, that thing. And we're going to be doing a roof install today here in Flagstaff in about 20-degree weather. I can't feel my toes. We're doing that for you, so stand by. We're going to do it step by step. I'm probably going to mess up. I'm going to show you that as well. So far, the unboxing, Kemimoto, you have nailed it. It looks really good. Sorry I didn't get this video out sooner. I was in a blizzard. Weather happened. So hopefully the audio is good. It's windy, but man, is it gorgeous out here. Well, we're gonna look at what we have, see what we have to work with. When you open up the box, you get the plastic roof. It's in two pieces, which is nice, just like the OEM. Matter of fact, I'm almost 100% certain these are probably made the same factory as the OEM roofs. They look great. The only concern I have is my light bars right here, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. You know what I'm saying? We might have to do a little custom. We never know. But good job on the knot. I wonder if people package this stuff and they're like, we're gonna laugh because people can't get it out, or is it just me? Am I just like, can't get the knot open? My gosh. Whoever does your knots, you should promote them to something different. We're getting it. All right, what do we have in our goodie bag from Kemimoto? I got some hardware. Okay, cool. We're gonna be very careful with the snow, because yeah. And then instructions right here. We have instructions. So we're gonna follow those. So, Kemimoto installation tips. I feel like it's the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not an X3 was running, not even a mouse. Before you begin, read these instructions and check to be sure that all parts and tools are accounted for. We're good. Please retain these instructions for future reference and part ordering information. All right, we'll put them in our important drawer. Important, please read all the installation instruction carefully before you start. If the vehicle is clean and free of debris, do they know who I am? It'll be easier to install. We're hosed. For your safety and to ensure a satisfactory installation, please drink a 12-pack of Bud Light. No, it doesn't say that. Please complete all the installation steps in the order shown below. Installation steps. Okay, 1. Install the neoprene seal on the rear roof panel, then lay down the roof rear panel on the vehicle cage. We went a little bit out of order because I don't have a workbench. So what we're going to do is, we're not going to lose these. We're going to put them in a safe spot in my pocket. And we're going to go ahead and put in the neoprene. First thing we're going to do is put in the trim, and the trim should go right here. So let's take off the sticker, and we might have to trim some of the trim. But I always like to get some trim. You like trim? I love trim. Ooh, give me some trim is wonderful. I try and get as much trim as I possibly can. I can't see anything with these tinted glasses, so we're gonna go glasses-less. Put the trim piece on here. The weather strip in. Just go slow. You're not in a rush. And peel it off as you go. Make sure you just push down on it. And I'm sure that the other panel, there's like a little track here that it goes into. And I'm sure the other panel will hold it down into place too. I never had any luck with this tape stuff. Have you ever had any luck with this tape stuff? As I'm doing this, I'm just kind of moving you. Comment down below if you ever had any luck with 3M. You know, I just never, 3M and me, man, we just don't get along. I don't know. Kind of like I'm a super glue dude. How do you get it on there? Put some super glue. Oh yeah. Glue that son of a gun on there. Let's move the GoPro over here. Sorry for the hands, but we're trying to get you the best. Now see, there's extra trim. Most guys would be cheering. Maybe some girls, you never know. I mean, everybody likes trim. I don't know what, but I think we're probably gonna cut that trim off. I don't think it goes all the way down here, but it can't hurt. So right now, there's the trim. All right, cool. Now we're gonna go back to the other camera and I'm gonna read some instructions. Well, actually, I can just do it right here. Here we go. Oh, I can't see. There's always a technical problem. Always. So let's get the technical problems dealt with. All right. Hey, it's not upside down. Okay, so it says install the trim. But see, it says to cut the trim up to, there's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and it says to cut the trim. So install the trim to roof rough, then lay down the roof panel. So let's cut the trim to where it says to cut the trim. And we're gonna use our handy dandy dikes. I don't think I have them here, but I might have them at the front of the X3. Calling all dikes. There we go. I have my dikes. We're better known as diagonal cutters. So 1, 2, 3, let's cut it right here. So let's do a cut right here. There we go. I just cut that trim right off. Did you see that? I trimmed it. I trimmed my trim. And then we're gonna go ahead and reapply the red sticker to this. Because you never know, man. You never know, man. You might need some extra trim. Ooh, that wind. I can feel the temperature dropping. Thank God we're not doing this in Minnesota. My eyes would be frozen shut. So we're gonna come over here, and the manual says, the paper says the 3. So I'm gonna cut that trim about right here. I'm gonna cut it right here. All right, boom. I felt that cut. Oh yeah, get me some of that. All right, push that down, that weather sealing. All right, take that trim, stick it in your pocket because you don't want to litter. We ain't litter bugs, right? Don't do that. So now we're gonna come over here and read more. I know. Don't take my man card for reading instructions, all right? Just stop. All right, next we're gonna come over here and we're gonna go install the 5 fixtures on the roof panel with 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, no. I almost did Laverne and Shirley. That'd been funny. All right, so 1/4 turn screw, M6 flat washer, and 7 is a retaining ring, and 8 is a washer. Huh. Okay. There's 7, 8, 5. Where do those go? Okay. So we're gonna turn the roof. Now we're gonna turn the roof around, and we're gonna go get those pieces out of that kit. I have to be very careful because if this stuff falls in the snow, it's gonna be a very unique install. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and let's rotate. I'm trying to figure out the best place to put you guys. Where you stay. Let's see. Let's rotate the roof back to the original position where it's supposed to go. Okay. So, but I'm thinking if I do this, right? Let's just think for a second. If I do this, there's mounting clips that go into here. How in the world am I gonna reach all them mounting clips over there? Like, seriously? So how am I flipping it in that? Let's put this here. Position this. There's a hole here. Oh, okay, I see what you're getting at. I see the game that you're playing. I see it. So let's take this one. Let's do this. So what we're doing is we're taking these guys right here, these little 2 washers, and it is a star to T, star T bolt, and then a little nut with some Loctite on it. And the nut is, because I hate on YouTube when you're looking at videos, they're like, use a wrench. What wrench? So the wrench that I'm using is a 10 millimeter. So get yourself a 10 millimeter, and the little star key is the real small one. If you just go get a whole bunch of keys, you should be able to find it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in all these bolts, but you can see they go right here, and then underneath they go right there. Excuse the wires in the car, I gotta clean that up. I made a soft top roof for this, and I just cut all that off and threw it away so I could do the install for Kemimoto. So once I get all these done, and there's a lot of them. When I get all these done, there's like 5. When I get all this done, I will come back to you. Okay? Because you don't want to see me sit here wrench and say bad words because I can't get it in the hole. The bolt. Anyway, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye. All right, I kind of had to figure out instructions. We got the roof, the rear of the roof mounted securely. This roof is designed to have the backs always mounted, but then you can take the front off like a convertible and let my hair blow through the wind. But I'm reading the instructions, I'm kind of figuring stuff out, but I'm going to show you what I figured out. These are retaining clips right here for the front roof, not for the back roof. There's 2 pieces here to this thing. There's this piece right here, which is on the back roof. There's this piece up here, which is on the front roof. These retaining clips go onto this piece right here, so you can put your quick disconnects in there. And I'm gonna show you all that. And then there's some mounting hardware that goes in here that the quick disconnects go into to hold it all down. So we're gonna go ahead and get the roof done real quick, because I already have the clips out. I know it's a little out of order, but we're gonna go get the roof done. I'll show you what that looks like, the front, and then we'll go ahead and work on the back. There you go. So we're still doing it. It's just I can't feel my toes. But look at this. Look. So awesome. Let me get back to the build. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye. All right, so I got all the retaining clips in. It didn't take very long, but this is what it looks like, and they just slide in. You'll be able to tell exactly what they are, but this is how they go. Right here. And then you can tell that this is the front piece because that goes around the front roll bar. Okie dokie. And then here are the retaining clips. And there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I was right. There's 5. This install is brought to you by the letter 5. Oh, the number 5. Editor, cut that out. All right, anyway. There's letter 5. All right, so I need to do a little bit of trimming right here, and it's not Kemimoto's fault. It's my fault because I have a 50-inch or 52-inch light bar. So pretty. So I need to trim a little bit of this so I can get the front cap in there, the retaining pin. We'll do that next week. And I got all the stuff in right here, and it's in, and it looks so good. Look at that. Dudes and dudettes, what do you guys think? Yeah, awesome, huh? Oh, the snow is deep and I just tripped. So I think we're done with this. I think we're done with the install for today. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna fall on my ass in the snow. Anyway, it looks so good. Look at that. Anyway, so the roof is done. I just got to do a couple modifications. I want to say thank you very much to Kemimoto for working with me on this video. I did my best. And the conditions, it's just all snow. And I'm out here post-holing in the snow. I had to dig out the Can-Am to do the video. But it came out really well. Tell you what, I'll put a link in the description below to their website so you can go get just great products for your off-road vehicles. Can-Ams, Razors, side-by-sides, whatever. It's just awesome. Quality stuff. Installation on this is probably a 7 out of 10. So I mean, I had to do a little bit of figuring stuff out, but not bad. I tried to show you all the step-by-step stuff. It looks really good. It looks super good. Even Spot says it looks good. But there's the 2022 Can-Am Maverick DS Max 4-seater. We just have fun up here in Flagstaff. We rip. I got some more reviews coming, and we'll get those for you. Storage, not the greatest on these machines. We have a solution for you on that. It's coming up. And man, what a beautiful day, right? With the mountains behind me and just really cool. Living in the Skoolie, living in the school bus, it's just been awesome. So there's a lot of changes coming up to the channel. You'll see them. I think you'll dig them. So if you haven't subscribed, there's videos going to be rolling out now, so you might want to hit the subscribe bell. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and you know I love hearing from you guys. So post comments about the build and whatever. I know I have wires hanging down. That's for the comms. I have a 4-system comms, and I got to put the wires back up and zip tie them and secure them. We'll do that later. I can't feel my toes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. I'll see you next time. Check out Kemimoto below. I'll put a link in the description. Go get stuff from them, or I'm going to take your cake. And I eat a lot of cake. Look at me. See you later. Peace, love, and peace. See ya.